island of Sodor, high up in the mountains, was a mysterious boulder. It had stood alone for a long time, but one day, workmen arrived to build a quarry on the land below. Rusty the Little Diesel met Thomas and Percy.
"Where's all this rock coming from?"
Percy asked.
"The new quarry, Percy.
Replied Rusty.
This mountain rock is good for many things, although it's dangerous up there.
Why's that, Rusty?
Because of a big boulder, Thomas. I think it's watching me,"
Said Rusty nervously.
"How can it be? Boulders don't have eyes."
"That may be, Percy, but there's something strange about that one."
Just then, Edward arrived. He was delivering a new piece of machinery from the quarry.
"What's that, Edward?"
Asked Rusty.
"He's called Thumper. Apparently he helps to collect the rock faster,"
Replied Edward. Soon Thumper was working hard. The men were pleased, but no one bothered to check the boulder. When it rained, the workmen went away. Rusty gazed up and shivered. Above stood Boulder. Suddenly, a large slab of rock landed on the rails. Rusty was shocked. The driver was concerned.
"We best be leaving till the weather gets better. The rain loosened some of this rock."
"I think it's Boulder wanting us to go away."
The next day, the sun shone. Thumper was working harder than ever. Suddenly, Rusty noticed something.
"Look! Boulder's moving!"
"Don't be so daft. It can't."
"But it is!" "And it's rolling along our line!" Ah!
"We'll stop here until Bullet passes by."
But where is Boulder?
Boulder was nowhere to be seen. Then,
"Oh no! It's behind us!"
Ah!
just ahead, they saw a small junction. One line went uphill. Boulders thundered past. Meanwhile, Scar Louie was making his way up to the quarry.
Huh? Yikes!
Boulder was catching up fast.
No, 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 no! Ooh! Rusty, you must board the yards!
Yes, but how, Scarlowy?
Boulder rounded a bend, and there ahead was Rheneas.
Uh-oh. It's running loose!
Yelled Rheneas. His driver drove him back as fast as he could.
Hurry, driver! Get us out of here! Whoa! Oh! Oh!
Well, that was a rather smash and a squash.
Shut up, driver.
At the yards, Percy was collecting trucks. Then, he heard Boulder.
"Oh no, it's heading straight for me!
Squeaked Percy.
Help! Ah! Fire! Ah!
When the Fat Controller inspected the damage, he decided to close the mine. Then, he looked at Boulder.
We should have left this part of the island alone.
They moved Boulder to a hill close by the yards. Rusty is sure that on a clear night it is gazing up at the mountain, and that its sides are being carried by the wind to where it once used to stand proud and silent. I wonder if Rusty is right. Don't you?